Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how do we fill color inside the table in LaTeX so that your table as well as its content pops up or gets highlighted. So we shall start backslash. We shall start with document class, and the document type we are preparing here is article, right? Okay, so backslash use package. The package what we are using here is table. Inside the curly bracket it is X color. So this is our initial setup. Now we shall begin the document. Backslash begin document, and we shall create the table environment. Backslash begin tabular, and we shall have 3 columns with a border line, and let first column be a paragraph of width 3 cm, and we shall have this for all the 3 column. Control C, Control V here, and Control V here. Okay, now the column of the table, column title, ampersand, go to next column, column title, ampersand, go to next column, title, go to new line, have one horizontal line. Okay, so now we shall have first row, content, ampersand, content, ampersand, content. Go to next line and have one horizontal line, right? So now let me copy this row and I'll repeat this row to the next row. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Let me compile it for you. After each line I have to give one space, space, and space here. Compile it. Okay, so we are not getting the horizontal line across the top of this table. And why is that? This is because we did not put actually horizontal line, right? So here I need to put one horizontal line, H line. Now I'll compile it. So we got the horizontal line. So since this is the table, column title, let me have it with a bold form. So either you type it manually, backslash text BEF, and the content should be within the curly bracket, right? Or else you just copy this which you want to be bold and click onto this B. Okay, and again this part you click onto this B icon. Okay, now let me compile it for you. Yeah, fine. So this looks a nice table. We'll continue with adding color to this. Now to add color to this table, before you define the table environment, where did we define the table environment? From here to here. So this part is our table environment, right? So before the table environment, command is backslash row colors, and it will take 3 parameters within the curly bracket. First parameter says from which row you have to add color. So I'll give 2. So this is the first row and this is the second row. Okay, so from the second row I want to add colors, and parameter in the second pair of parentheses is for odd numbered row. A parameter at the third pair of parentheses is for even row. Okay, so for the odd rows, when I say odd row, this is I'll let you know. So for odd row I want dark gray of say 30%. Okay, and for the even row I want light gray of same 30%. Now one thing you should notice, let me compile it for you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is dark gray for what row? Odd number of row, right? So this is even, 0th row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So 0, 0th row, second row, fourth row, it's all are even row, right? For even rows it is light gray, and for odd rows it is dark gray, and it is 30%. So 30% of light gray and 30% of dark gray, right? Now you can change it to 100% as well. It's as per your requirement. So this is how it looks like if I give 100% of dark gray and 100% of light gray. Now you might ask me, where did I get these colors? Okay, now if you go to actually Xcolor documentation, it is here. So this is from Xcolor documentation, xcolor.pdf. So these are all the base colors available. So from these base colors you can have any color of your wish, and you can have a mixture of it. Okay, 10% of black with 90% of green, and so on. You get the idea, right? Fine. So now how do we mix these colors? That is the question, no? So let me show you. So 10% of dark gray, and let me retain 10% of light gray. Now for this 10% of dark gray, I want 50% of red. Okay, how do we do it? So one more inverse I symbol, red of what percent? 50%. Okay, now if I compile it, see, so I got, this is actually 10% of dark gray with 50% of red. Now again for the even column, I can have 50% of red. Now if I compile it, so since red color dominates, it looks like all the columns are the same color, but it is not. Okay, so if I give 10% of red here, we shall see how does it looks like. Okay, fine. So now this, now you get the idea, no? Now it's not like you can mix only two colors. You can even have like I want yellow of say 30%, and if I compile it, so I got, for the odd row I got 30% of yellow. Okay, and so on. Now in order to highlight your table further, you can actually increase the line width of the table, which we have discussed in the previous tutorial video, right? So how do we do it? Backslash set length, again backslash array rule width of, so I want 0.5 mm, line width should be 0.5 mm. Okay, so now the table looks formal, right?